Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we're trying to answer on one question that Alex made on our YouTube channel. His question was, is Ethereum a good investment opportunity? And a few days ago, another guy put a question on our YouTube channel: is this crypto a good opportunity for investing, and so on and so on. So I wanted to create one video, and the name of this video is why I do not like cryptos. And a little bit provocative name, but I will try to describe the basic stuff that I want to share with you. First one, right now we're on Yahoo Finance web page, and here you can see the most traded cryptos right now, and the first place is a Bitcoin, and we have Ethereum, and etc. etc. And as we can see, the volume is huge. A lot of cryptos have trading volume bigger than some strong American stocks. And for a lot of old-time traders, this is ridiculous. But for us, it's a normal thing. I understand that the market is a place where people want to trade. And you can trade a forex, you can trade cryptos, you can trade commodities, and any kind of assets. I know traders that trade only sports clubs stocks. Can you believe that? They're specialized in that kind of trading. So today, during the last 15 years, I gathering a lot of experience, and I met a lot of people. And during that time, I realized that on this place, on this world, we have a various kind of traders. A lot of years ago, I told that short-term trading is not good, or the very 1 minute trade on scalping is not good, or this is not good. But later I met people that they earn money using various trading forms and long-term trading strategies, and very short trading strategies and scalping methods, anything. So after that, I decide to be open. But right now, let me back on this question about cryptos. Crypto trading market, for me, it's complicated, and I will just try to give some interesting facts. Crypto market, in my personal opinion, so this is not investment advice in this channel, I just share my personal opinion, is not suitable for investments for majority of people, and I including myself. So I will talk about cryptos. I will create articles, tests, data, and a lot of things in the future. But personally, I do not like to invest in cryptos because it's a personal thing. Why? It's a personal style. For example, Warren Buffett liked to invest in stocks because he wants to invest in great businesses. This is example. For example, Soros liked to find market inefficiency, to see when some government make mistakes, and then he will invest against or for that currency maybe, or he will find something that's not good, maybe short some stock, maybe buy some stock. This is the strategy. Value investment strategy will tell you, for example, that you need to understand the business to create some kind of a real price of the business, and then to compare with market price, and then to try to buy that stock during the time when price is below real value, market value. And this is the strategy. So in every single strategy, you have some data. Use then data. For example, in currency trading, you can use fundamental data, and you can tell, okay, I think that fundamental impact will be like this, and I hope this currency will go up. But question for you, my friends, what push crypto market in some way? This is the question. On this chart, for example, right now that you see on the screen, you have correlation metrics. We see that a crypto market is around 40% correlated, exactly 0.338, with S&P 500. With Nasdaq 100, it's a I think unbelievably 0%. With Dow Jones Industrial Average, we can create a lot of charts like this. But in the end, it's not important, because I feel, and a lot of traders feel, that the Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all other cryptos are uncorrelated assets, because there's no fundamental impact on the price. So I cannot tell, because this fundamental economy event, the Bitcoin will rise or something else. Of course, we have political decisions as I can take impact on the price. For example, when some country decide to ban crypto trading, that can hurt market. And there is a connection with that too. But on the other side, when I hear, for example, story that Elon Musk creates some comment on Twitter, and because his comment on Twitter, whole crypto market collapse, it's not good. For me, it's not good. But when we have that the biggest impact on the crypto market is social network, and social network can push price and put down price, it's not, for me, it's not smart, it's not good. And the major problem why I cannot, and I do not want to invest in cryptos, is the reason that my personality is like that. I want, for example, to use data, and using the information from data, I make decision. So I like when I have fundamental analysis in currency market, or I have a lot of fundamental data in stock market, when I can analyze, when I can create machine learning classification methods, or I can try to use neural network or something. I want to predict something like that. Or easily, when I can pick a great business, or I have some news about some major change, for example, in ecology, and that will produce this and this, and that will have some impact on this asset, and something like that. But in cryptos, I do not have such a data. And using the previous data from Bitcoin to make projection that all other cryptos will go in the sky, for me is not good. But on my website, I'm trying to use that simple methods and technical analysis just to create some simple, maybe using some moving average system, or to use some prices and the previous data to try to predict the future. I use that strategies, and I share with people. But deep in me, I'm not sure about that, and I do not personally invest. Like I said, we can see that all kind of cryptos are somehow correlated with Bitcoin. So the answer for Alex that create a question, is Ethereum good investment? First, I want to tell him and all other people that Bitcoin started this story, and all other cryptos are very similar to Bitcoin. On this chart right now, you can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I can tell all other cryptos, are almost 80% match. So whole crypto market is connected to each other. And very often when you see huge spike and huge rise for Bitcoin, you will see rise at other cryptos. Of course, there is some moments that this is not true, but you will see when you take some longer term, more than a year, and try to find a correlation, you will see that all cryptos are connected each other. So this is the whale right now, and we can see that if in future we have a bubble and something happen and Bitcoin touch the zero or something like that, all crypto market will collapse. And this is something that I'm afraid. And I know that a lot of people who watch this video right now, a lot of people hate me. The good thing is I'm not celebrity and I don't have any kind of impact on the market. This channel is so small channel and nobody listens when I talk. But people who listen maybe just this moment, you will think about that and you will understand that, like Warren Buffett and Munger said, they asked them what they think about crypto market, and Munger said it's a poison, it's rat poison. And it was funny that moment, but I know how old-fashioned traders think, because if every single currency on this world in some moment had some problem, huge inflation, devaluation, something happened with, for example, euro, with dollar, with any single currency in some moment. And in that moment, the central bank need to create some kind of intervention. And this is the normal thing. Whenever you see that the relative strength index is below 15 or 20, you will see strong intervention from the central bank, because they will not allow fluctuations in the currency market to be so crazy. And I understand that. They protect the countries, they protect the salaries for the people who work in all these countries. I understand that. But question for you all, if we see something similar with crypto market, who will create intervention in that moment? Nobody. There's no intervention. And this is the huge problem. When you talk about currencies, dollars, euro, kiwi, cable, it's not important. For some small country, in that moment, you know that some people receive the salaries using money to pay all their bills in some currency. And it's important thing that all banks, central banks for that country try to protect that currency. But crypto market cannot be protected. As you can see right now on this screen, just a couple weeks ago, we had a strong buying opportunity for Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as usually, Binance, and so on and so on. Every single day, we can see the new cryptocurrencies. And it's only algorithm. And their price rising or falling is correlated with two things. One, what's happened right now with Bitcoin and these big cryptos. And another one, what is the marketing strategy for that company that push that kind of crypto. And if some persons have a lot of money and promote that crypto, and a lot of people buy that crypto and invest in crypto, that crypto will have a high price. And this is all. You don't have a fundamental analysis, like I said. You don't have something to predict, something to calculate, something to think about that. So all this reason is something that I do not like cryptos as good investment. But this should not be your your decision. You can like cryptos and invest in cryptos, and there's a lot of traders and investors that support cryptos right now in this world. A lot of them invest a lot of money in cryptos, and I understand everything, and I believe that they will succeed in their investment plans, and that can be good stuff for them. But for me, I think that it's not just a bubble. Cryptos is not just a bubble, as afraid. It's just something that I cannot trade as a trader, and I cannot think about long-term prediction for something that I think that because of tax invasion and everything can be forbidden or limited in some sort in the United States of America and the whole world, and that can be devastating for me. Anyhow, below I have an article in this YouTube video. It's about Ethereum, I think, and why Ethereum can be or not good investment. There I was just a neutral. I didn't want to be so pessimistic like in this video, and I didn't want to be just buy and everything will be fine, some positive. So I was just neutral in all my articles. There are some education articles that I write on my website, so you can visit and read about Ethereum price prediction in next years, and so on and so on. But however, I just want to tell my personal feelings and my personal opinion about cryptos, and I just want to know that you should have your own opinion about that, and please, you can write comments why you don't agree with me, and I will accept that, because we all have different trading and investment styles, and this is it. So I wish you a great day, and bye-bye.